And we have more news coming in. This has got to do with Yoga Guru Ramdev in a big Sharbat Jihad row. Delhi High Court has objected to Ramdev's Sharbat Jihad jibe. Ramdev had taken a Sharbat Jihad jibe at Ruh Afza. High Court has said shocks our conscience. This is indefensible. High Court is hearing the Ruh Afza Sharbat maker Hamdard. High Court hearing to resume at noon. A controversial comment was made by Ramdev in which he spoke about Sharbat Jihad, indirectly referring to Ruh Afza. Ruh Afza was the company in question. Hamdard was upset about the comments that were made. This matter is now in court. The court has also taken note of it. Yoga Guru Ramdev once again in a soup here with the Delhi High Court, objecting to Ramdev's Sharbat Jihad jibe. Shrishti has more on that. Shrishti, in fact, these comments had gone completely viral. Today, the Delhi High Court has taken note. Tell us what is expected. Hamdard, the company in question that makes the popular drink, is very upset about this.
Well, yes, as we know, Baba Ramdev had earlier this month made some statements against Hamdard's Ruh Afza, also against the company, saying that the company is using its money to build masjids and madrasas. Also went ahead to use the word Sharbat Jihad. Now, Hamdard has filed a suit against Baba Ramdev for these remarks before Delhi High Court, which was taken up today. And the High Court has taken a strong exception to these statements, saying that this is indefensible and it shocks conscience of the court. So that those are big remarks coming in from the High Court against Baba Ramdev's statement. Now, we also saw Hamdard's counsel appearing before court and arguing that the matter isn't just limited to disparagement of Hamdard's remarks or image, but also goes ahead to the extent of creating a communal divide where his statements can also come under the purview of hate speech. So he's also called these statements very shocking. Hamdard's counsel has called the statements very shocking, saying that the case is just not limited to the aspect of disparagement of Hamdard's trademark or image, but also goes to the extent of creating communal divide and also can come under the purview of hate speech. Baba Ramdev's counsel is yet to appear before the court. The matter has been passed over, and Baba Ramdev's counsel is expected to appear before court at around 12 p.m. So that is when we'll know as to what will his lawyer's response be to, first of all, Hamdard's plea before court, and also what the High Court has said in this regard. We'll know more at 12 noon once the hearing proceeds further and once a response comes in also from Baba Ramdev's lawyer. Back to you.
All right, be with us, Shrishti. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Listen in to the controversial statements that Ramdev had made.
मस्जिदें बनवाती ठीक हो। शरबत के नाम पर एक कंपनी है जो शरबत तो देती है, लेकिन वो शरबत से जो पैसा मिलता है उससे मदरसे और मस्जिदें बनवाती ठीक हो, उनका मजहब है। लेकिन आप यदि वो शरबत पिएंगे तो मस्जिद और मदरसे बनेंगे, और पतंजलि का गुलाब का शरबत पीते हैं आप, ये शरबत पिएंगे आप तो गुरुकुल बनेंगे, आचार्य कुलम बनेगा, पतंजलि विश्वविद्यालय, भारतीय शिक्षा बोर्ड आगे बढ़ेगा। इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ ये शरबत जिहाद भी, जैसे लव जिहाद, वोट जिहाद चल रहा है ना, ऐसे शरबत जिहाद भी चल रहा है। तो लो, आपको इस शरबत जिहाद से बचाना है तो सब तक।
All right, so that's what he said. He didn't name the company. Later on, he also went on, Shrishti, to talk about the fact that I didn't name any company. You know, why is Hamdard getting all angsty? That's what he said later. Shrishti.
Well, yes, Sneha, we just heard the comments that Baba Ramdev had made where he's used the term Sharbat Jihad and also some other objectionable remarks that he's made. Now, Hamdard, in its suit filed before the Delhi High Court, has taken strong objection to these statements, also seeking removal of Baba Ramdev's videos and comments from social media. Now, we saw the matter being taken up today by the Delhi High Court, where the Delhi High Court has taken a very strong objection to these statements, calling these statements indefensible, and also said that this shocks the conscience of the court itself. The court has also asked for a response from Baba Ramdev's lawyer, who wasn't present before court at that moment. So the matter has been passed over. It will be taken up again at 12 noon. Now, Hamdard's lawyer has clearly told court that this isn't a case of just disparagement of Hamdard's trademark or their image. The the question that his statements raise is that of a communal divide, and Baba Ramdev's statements are akin to also causing hate speech. So these are big allegations, because we are not only seeing a trademark issue or a defamation issue here. What Hamdard is saying.
Okay, this is also bordering on hate
Mama
speech, is what is being said right now. Those observations, in fact, from the Delhi High Court, talking about how the statement was unwarranted. At matter again at note, leaving it at that for the moment. Shrishti Ojha getting in those details at this point in time.